Hi, this is Srinivasa Tirunagari. In the last class, we have discussed about logical operators. In this module, we are going to discuss about order by class. Topics covered: sorting rows using the order by class. Objectives. After completing this lesson, the student should be able to use order by clause in select statements. Using the order by clause. You can use order by clause in select statements. The select statement basically returns the results from the table either in the ascending order or descending order. You can sort the result set in ascending order or descending order by mentioning. If you look at the syntax, you will understand this. Select. We have column list or expression from table name. Where clause is there. This is an optional. Where conditions. Order by column. Which this column is in the column list and expression. Numeric position. You can also specify in the what is the numeric position in the column list. What is the numeric position? Either ascending order or descending order. This is the syntax of order by clause in select statement. Order by clause example. Say for example, I want to retrieve the details of the employees such as last name, job ID, department ID and hire date. I want to sort out the result set according to the hire date in the ascending order. Then I will write a query. Select last name, job ID, department ID, hire date from employees, order by hire date. So if you look at the result set, you have last name, Dehan, and job ID, additional vice president, department ID 90, and hire date is 13th January 2001. Similarly, Gates, AC account, his job ID and his department ID is 110 and he has been hired on 7th June 2002. So, the results are sorted out according to hire date in ascending order. I will execute this query in SQL Developer and show you the results. Look at this. Dehan, additional vice president, his department ID 90 and he has hired on 13th January 2001. And Gates, his job ID is AC account and his department ID is 110. He has been hired on 7th June 2002. Like this, on 7th June 2002, 4 employees have been recruited or hired. All these employees have been hired on the same day. So this result set is sorted out in ascending order according to hire date ascending order. Sorting in descending order, an example. Say, I want to retrieve the details of the employees such as last name, job ID, department ID, hire date, and I want to display the results according to the department ID in descending order. So I write a query, select last name, job ID, department ID, hire date from employees table, order by department ID, descending. You see this descending, DESC for descending. I have abbreviated that descending. In short, I have written DESC. I highlighted here in the box, blue box, that is descending. Then the result set is sorted out according to the department ID in the descending order. So if you look at the result set, the first record says that last name is Grant and his job ID is sales representative. Department ID is null. It doesn't belong to any department. And his hire date is 24th May 2007. Okay. So I just demonstrate this in SQL Developer. I demonstrate executing this query. Click on this. You will get the result set. Because it is in descending order, First it will get the null values. The department ID is nulls. Nulls are displayed first. And you see this department ID 110, 100, 90, 80. See? The results are sorted out in according to the department ID in descending order, 70, 60, 60, 50, like that. Sort by column alias. Let us take an example. I want to display the details of employees such as employee ID, last name, and an expression. Annual salary. I want to display the annual salary along with other details. And also I want to order this annual salary in the ascending order. Then you see this. I used annual salary as alias for this expression. And order by annual salary. I am using column alias here. I am ordering the result set by column alias. I will execute this query. Look at this. The salaries are displayed in the ascending order. So look at this. And in the query, I am using this annual salary, that is a column alias, and I am ordering by that column alias annual salary. This demonstrates that you can not only order by column names, you can as well order by column aliases also. Sort by using columns numeric position. Let us take an example. I want to display the details of the employees such as last name, job ID, department ID, hire date, and order by a column called department ID, which is the third position in the select list. If you see this select statement, select last name, job ID, department ID, hire date from employees, order by 3. This 3 indicates the column position. What is the column in the third column? Last name, job ID and department. This is department ID is the third column. So you are instructing just get the results from the employees table, order by this department ID. Instead of writing department ID, you are just mentioning the position of that column by a number. If you look at this result, last name is Velan, job ID is IT program, department ID is equal to 10. So they are sorted out according to department ID in ascending order. So I execute this query in SQL Developer. I highlight the query and click on this and you will get the result. So we are using the column position by a numeric value in the query. So 3 indicates that, so it is department ID. Suppose if you change this, if you look at the result set, Valen, IT program, department, the result set is sorted out in department ID in ascending order. Similarly, if I place this instead of 3, if I show as 4, then the results are sorted out according to hire date, which is a column 4th position in the list. Look at this. Dehan, additional vice president. So 13 Jan 2001. If you look at this, all these are sorted out in ascending order of hire date. And if you see the department ID, so they are not sorted out actually. Look at this. 90, 110, 70. So the result set is sorted out according to hire date. Sort by multiple columns. In the sort order by clause, you can have multiple columns. Let us take an example. I want to display the details of the employees such as last name, department ID and salary from employees table, order by department ID and salary descending order. This indicates that department ID should be sorted out in ascending order and salary should be sorted out in descending order. If you look at the result set, Vallon, department ID is 10, salary is equal to 6525. See, if the second column is department ID, the result set is sorted out according to the department ID in the ascending order. So 10, 20, 20. Within this department, salary is sorted out in descending order. Look at this. First record is Vallon and department ID is 10. In department ID 10, we have only one employee, Vallon. His salary is $6,525. And second record, we have two records for department ID 20. And the salary is sorted out in descending order. First, 14,000 for second record, 7,000 for third record. So if you use multiple columns in the order by class, the first one is sorted out, and within that again the next column will be sorted out either in the descending order or ascending order. I will execute this query and you see the results. So we have Vallon, department ID 10, his salary is $6,525. So within the department the salary is sorted out in descending order. So 30, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 employees, and you see the salary is sorted out in descending order. Thank you.